This is the beautiful single cup coffee grinder. I think it's great. However, mine's not working anymore because I let it get clogged because I didn't clean it as it told me to. And so I'm going to tell you how to get to it easily without taking anything apart. First, you want to make sure that you have no coffee grounds at all in the machine. You want it to be completely empty of coffee grounds. Water doesn't matter. And you want to put everything in like you're going to brew something. And so then you plug it in. So this is all vacuumed out. And then you just pretend like you're going to brew something. Brew. Let it start brewing. And as soon as the grinder pours up, go ahead and unplug it. And what that's going to do is on the inside, it's going to keep that door open for the grinder where all the grounds get blown into here. And I'll show you that now. We just pull this off. You can see down here, this is where all the coffee grinds are glummed up. I have this little hook tool. Just gonna get in here and get them out. Since that's all cleaned out, we'll run the clean cycle on the grinder. Okay, and that is what you should be doing every week to clean out the grinder. There's a bunch of grinds in there. Let's see how that works.